Good morning. Today I would like to discuss about two area of subject. One about Akbari Act, the other one about lynching cases, wherein people are indulging in grave murder. Number one, the Akbari Act seems to be very oldest act. Act 1077. This act seems to have been passed by Kargodam government, and subsequently the Maharaja of Cochin passed the said act, and that was being implemented. And then after introduction of Constitution of India, the President has given assent, and that act has been periodically amended time to time until this year by Kerala government. The act deals with FMIL, IFML, foreign made foreign liquors and Indian made foreign liquors. Two different things. They are also discussed what is meant by Iraq. So many definitions are there. Akbari officers, inspectors were appointed. This deals with prohibition cases. How several definitions of Iraq, toddy, and other wines being dealt with. This act is compared with the State Prohibition Act. So for all this, you kindly go through that, and if you want to know more about this act, you kindly go through Santosh Kumar versus State of Kerala 2018 court and Crimes 376 Supreme Court. Kindly go through that. And this act was somewhat applicable to India also, Tamil Nadu also, for this reason that the some parts of present districts of Tamil Nadu were under the control of Maharaja of Kochi, like Nagarkoil, Kanyakumari, Pudukkottai, etc. Kindly go through this and these things. Then the next area I would like to discuss was mob violence and lynching. See, this mob violence and lynching has been clearly discussed in Tahsin S. Poonawalla versus Union of India, 2018 6 Supreme Court 551. Kindly go through the entirety of this judgment. If you are socially interested and you want to really to oppress and eradicate the mob violence and lynching, the Supreme Court has given so many measures, preventive measures. They direct the state government to designate a senior police officer as nodal officers, and they have to identify the district and subdivisions where instance of lynching is prevailing and had happened, and the regular meeting should be held between the nodal officers, and the Director General of Police and Secretary Home Department shall take regular review meetings, and they have to take action under section 129 CRPC. Then they say they have to broadcast radio and television and other media platforms about these directions. Like domestic violence, such similar directions were given in the act itself, but nobody is following that. Then the central government and state government must take steps to curb and stop dissemination of irresponsible and explosive messages, videos and other material on various social media to prevent this mob lynching, communal classes, so many things. Innocent people are done to death. Then they also provided 357A CRPC compensation for the persons for bodily injury, psychological injury, loss of earning, including loss of opportunities of employment, education and other things. They have also stated that the cases pertaining to lynching and mob violence must be tried by designated fast-track courts earmarked for that purpose. Then the victims of next kin of the deceased in all mob violence and lynching cases shall be heard before granting bail, and that was also there. Kindly, and the victim may also be permitted to engage legal services under Legal Services Authority Act. Then the 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 direction also says if the officer is not complied with this direction, they should be subjected to departmental action for deliberate negligence. Then they also said the Arumugam Survey State of Tamil Nadu 2011-6 SCC must also be followed. So such an important cases, kindly go through that, and if you are there where this lynching and mob violences are occurred, you can straight away file contempt application against the erring officials or issue notice to the state government to probe the matter under what deliberate negligence this had happened, whether there was continuous meeting, regular meeting, nodal officers were appointed or not. You can have a second check over that. Best wishes.